My father bought some classic vehicles years ago, so I would like to show you some of them from my personal collection. And also there will be a mystery car, so if you can guess what it is, please feel free to comment below and I'll reveal it to you at the end of the series. So please sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, plus also remember to subscribe as well. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy. Before purchasing your first project classic car, make sure you do some research. Plus don't just look on websites such as eBay because you won't be able to physically see the car before you purchase it. The Riley Owners Club mentioned that they are very proud of their spare parts department. With such a variety of different models, they will be able to supply you with a big range of original parts to help you restore your vehicle to its former glory. Some spare parts may be available on sites like eBay or Gumtree, but these will be at your own risk of purchase. And remember, they will all be second-hand spares that might be slightly damaged in places. With the Riley Members Club Heritage Promise, they give you original brand new parts, this meaning no reproductions or replica spares. You can normally find that you can join your car owners club many different ways, such as through email or downloading the PDF membership form from the website, or even give them a call to arrange your membership fees. Many different styles of Riley was produced over the years and ranged between drop-head coupes, saloons or even roadsters, plus some had an option between a 1.5 litre or a 2.5 litre engine size. With the membership fees, it will be £40 for the UK and £50 for the rest of the world, plus an added £5 joining fee. But with this membership, you get to know all of the shows and events that are taking place, as well as spare parts and even cars for sale in the back of the magazine they will send you every month. The Riley Owners Club might be for you as they have a high range rating on their site, with lots of people with tons of knowledge about these special types of cars. Also, this would give you some great starters advice or tips and tricks from some of the long-term members.